Hey guys, I am showing you on this 25 F-150 Raptor how to put the vehicle in a couple different modes here. So first we're going to start off with the exhaust. You can control the exhaust if you want to put it in quiet to keep calm from the neighbors, or if you want to put it in a sport or a Baja mode, and that's really going to make the vehicle a little bit more louder. So you can customize all these settings. The same thing with these suspensions, so you can do this on the fly while you're driving. If you want more of a softer suspension when you're hitting road bumps, going through the parking lot, you can put it in off-road, and that's going to make the suspension a little bit more softer. Same thing to the steering wheel. So if you want it in normal, it'll feel like a normal steering wheel. But if you do put this vehicle in sport, it's going to make it a little bit more tighter, and it's going to have resistance when you're turning. You can set all three of these modes, the steering, suspension, and the exhaust, and then you can customize it specifically with the Raptor mode. So you can press and hold on here. Sorry, we'll do that again. And that's going to save all the current settings. So you can kind of customize this truck to how you're liking. If you go to features on the truck and you go to trail turn assist, this is actually how you turn this on. And when you turn this on, this is going to make the tightening a lot more tighter if you are doing some off-roading and you're on some tighter trails. So follow us for more content, and we'll keep posting.